And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 276. Let me show you a text-in-text effect. I use the type tool, left click on my canvas. Let me type in white. For a font I'm gonna use Bebas Neue and I make it regular. Because this is, well, I would say a little bit thicker and still condensed. So there's a good font to apply the effect to. Let me reset this one to 0, that's the distance between the letters, and I size it up. Then I press Ctrl A to select it all, the move tool is active, and I use the top function to center it. I'm fine with 150 here. Let me use the type tool again. This time I make it black, and I also have to change the color to black. I use the move tool to reposition it. And now the important step is to right click on your top layer, which is my black text, and use create clipping mask. And it's going to clip this layer to the layer below, so our black text to the white text, and you can still adjust that. And in this case it actually makes sense to do that. Let us adjust the distance between the letters. I use -25, which brings it closer together. Then I press Ctrl T on the black layer, and let me resize that a little bit so that we can see it better. And now I adjust the white a little bit further. Let me also press Ctrl T, size it down. And that's a good relative size, I think. I press Enter, then I'll Control, left click on the black layer. So I've got both layers active now. Ctrl T, and now I can resize them at the same time. Let me add a minor adjustment here to black. But that's it. The important step, as I've said, right click, create a clipping mask for your top layer, and this is going to clip it then to the layer below. And if you have these text layers stacked like that, it's going to give you this text-in-text effect in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.